Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we received a new parcel for our Tesla Model Y Juniper and this one is really exciting. It's a Sunshade from Tesery, especially made for the glass roof. Honestly, this looks like a game changer for the summer. Now let's unbox it. Once again, I would like to thank Tesery for providing us this Sunshade for our Model Y, and now we are going to open and see what's inside. So here we have front shade. Now we are opening it. The front set we have two color. The white one is the outer part where the black one is the inner part. Also this is the rear set. Here are the clear instruction on this set. It's written front side, rear, back side, which make the installation very easier. And also we have like 14 mounting clips for the installation. Now we will start with the front set. We will just attach the clip to the front part and then fit it into the roof. It seems like super easy, but let's go through it. Before installation, make sure you make your seat comfortable so that it will be easy for you for your installation. As you can see, we are done attaching the clip. Now we are just fitting it onto the roof. It's super easy. It just take a few minutes, not even the few minutes, and just like that we are done. Just make sure every clips have been attached properly with the roof. Now this is the final look of our front shade. It is well attached. Now let's do the rear shade. Just make sure you make your seat comfortable. Again, it's the same process, just installing the clip in the shade. It's super easy, just fit it and click it. And that's it. Both parts install in just a few minutes. You can already see the difference. It covered the light and also it helped reduce the heat inside the car. Honestly, if you have a Model Y, I think this is really useful upgrade, especially for the summer. We will also put the link in the description if you want to check it out. Now I will show you how it look inside after the final touch. This is from the front seat. It really look nice. We don't get any light from outside, and also this is from the rear seat. You can see the difference. There is no light from the roof. It's really amazing and I love the black color. Here is my husband being very happy after the installation and grateful toward the Tesery. It's a simple upgrade, but it makes a big difference. If you are planning to upgrade your car with Tesery accessories, the link is available in the description below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.